Video presentation from Department of Panchakarma, Sindagi Shantavireshwara Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital, Haveri. This video is about applied Panchakarma in Shita Pitta. Introduction. The word Shita Pitta is composed of two words, that is Shita and Pitta, which means cold and warm respectively. The disease develops as a result of Pitta dosha dominance over the Kapha and Vata dosha. Here, Pitta resembles hot characteristics and Kapha Vata resembles to the cold. निदान शीतमारुत संस्पर्शात् प्रदुष्टौ कफमारुतौ पित्तेन सह सम्भूय बहिर्विसर्पितः आहारज निदान अति अम्ल लवण कटु क्षार तीक्ष्ण भोजन मद्य सेवन विरुद्ध आहार अध्यशन गुरु आहार सेवन विषयुक्त अन्नपान सेवन विहारज निदान शीतमारुत स्पर्श विषयुक्त जलस्नान अभ्यंग उद्वर्तन वस्त्र आभूषण कीटदंश बाह्यक्रिमि ಚರ್ದಿ ನಿಗ್ರಹ ಶಿಶಿರ ಋತು ಅಂಡ್ ವರ್ಷಾಕಾಲ ನಿದಾನಾರ್ಥಕರ ರೋಗ ಅಧೋಗ ಆಮ್ಲಪಿತ್ತ ಪಿತ್ತಜ ಜ್ವರ ಉನ್ಮಾದ ಸಂಪ್ರಾಪ್ತಿ ನಿದಾನ ಸೇವನ ವಿಚ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಕೋಪ ಆಫ್ ವಾತ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಫ combines with pitta. This produces prasarana in tvak and raktadi dhatus, which takes stana samshraya in tvak and raktadi dhatu, produces shota mandalotpatti, which leads to the disease shita pitta. Samprapti gataka dosha tridosha dusha rasa rakta agni jataragni and datvagni agni dushti mandagni ama mandagni janya ಸಂಪ್ರಾಪ್ತಿ ಘಟಕ ಶ್ರೋತಸ್ ರಸವಹ ಅಂಡ್ ರಕ್ತವಹ ಶ್ರೋತೋ ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ವಿಮಾರ್ಗ ಗಮನ ಉದ್ಭವ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಆಮಾಶಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಸ್ಥಾನ ತ್ವಕ್ ಸ್ವಭಾವ ಆಶುಕಾರಿ ಪೂರ್ವರೂಪ ಅತಿತೃಷ್ಣ ಅರುಚಿ ಹೃಲ್ಲಾಸ ದೇಹಸಾದ ಅಂಗಗೌರವತ ರಕ್ತಲೋಚನ ಲಕ್ಷಣ ವರಾಟಿ ದಂಶ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾನ ಶೋತಃ ಸಂಜಾಯತೆ ಬಹಿರ್ swelling or elevated patches as if stung by a wasp manifesting on the exterior skin, kandu, itching, toda bahula, excessive pricking pain, chardi, vomiting, jwara, fever, vidaha, burning sensation. Sapeksha nidhana, shita pitta, udarta and kota. Their features and dosha involvement are discussed in next slide. Shita pitta, vata pradhana, toda, kinchit mandalotpatti, intake of shita and ushna alongside, and it is ashukari. Udarta, kafa pradhana, kandu, vamana, avastika mandalotpatti, aggravates in shishira rutu, and it is subacute. Kota, kafa rakta pradhana, excessive kandu, avastika rakta mandalotpatti, vamana ayoga, chardi vegadharana, and it is chronic. Chikitsa शीतपित्ते तु वमनं पटोल अरिष्टवासकैः त्रिफलापुरकृष्णाभिर् विरेकश्च प्रशस्यते अभ्यङ्गकटुतैलेन सेक च उष्णेन वारिणा त्रिफलं क्षौद्रं संयुक्तं कोदश्च नवकर्षितम्. This is according to Bhava Prakasha. Shodhana Chikitsa, Vamana and Virechana and Shamana Chikitsa. Vamana, Purvakarma, Deepana and Pachana. Deepana and Pachana can be done for 3 days by Arogyavardhini Vati, Sanjeevini Vati, Chitrakadi Vati. Snehapana for 5 to 7 days based on the patient condition, done by Panchatikta Gruta, Gugulu Tiktaka Gruta. Vishrama Kala Sarvanga Abhyanga with Sarshapa Taila or any Vatahara Tailas. Sarvanga Svedana Abhishyandi Ahara. This is for gap of 1 day. Pradhana Karma Akantapana with Kshira is given. Next Vamana Dravya Madhana with Patola Patra Nimba Vatsaka Kvata is given. Wait for the Vamana Yoga. Holding the forehead when patient will bow down to expel the vomiters. Gentle massage in the opposite direction over the muscles of spine, which is again the process to relax the muscles. Massage over the umbilical region. This will help the abdominal muscles and diaphragm to move upwards and helps in the effortless evacuation of the vomiters. After the completion of Vamana, give Dhumapana and Gandosha to remove the dosha from oral cavity. Observe for Samyak, Ayoga, and Atyoga Lakshana. Then calculate the number of Vegas. Afterwards, prescribe the Samsarjana Krama based on Vegas. Shuddhi, Pravara Shuddhi, 8 Vegas, and Samsarjana Krama for 3 Annakalas. Madhyama Shuddhi, 6 Vegas, Samsarjana Krama, 2 Annakala. Avara Shuddhi, 4 Vega, and 1 Annakala. Sadhyovamana. Shodhana Chikitsa is an Ayurvedic approach focusing on detoxification through various methods, one of which is Sadhyovamana. This treatment is particularly effective for Shita Pitta as it targets and removes the aggravated doshas responsible for this condition. Sadhyovamana involves medicine induced emesis, which helps in the immediate expulsion of accumulated doshas and addresses the discomfort associated with urticaria. The procedure is inexpensive, quick, and can be seamlessly integrated into clinical practice, highlighting its practical relevance in managing Shita Pitta. ವಿರೇಚನ ಪೂರ್ವಕರ್ಮ ದೀಪನ ಅಂಡ್ ಪಾಚನ ಅವಿಪತ್ತಿಕರ ಚೂರ್ಣ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವರ್ಧಿನಿ ವಟಿ ಸಂಜೀವಿನಿ ವಟಿ ಫಾರ್ 3 to 5 days ಸ್ನೇಹಪಾನ ಪಂಚತಿಕ್ತಕ ಘೃತ ಗುಗ್ಗುಲು ತಿಕ್ತಕ ಘೃತ ಫಾರ್ 7 days ವಿಶ್ರಾಮ ಕಾಲ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಫ್ 3 days ಸರ್ವಾಂಗ ಅಭ್ಯಂಗ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ವೇದನ ಡಯಟ್ ಸ್ನಿಗ್ಧ ದ್ರವ ಉಷ್ಣ ಜಾಂಗಲ ಮಾಂಸ ರಸ ಅಂಡ್ ಯೂಷಾ ಆರ್ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಧಾನ ಕರ್ಮ Pradhana karma starts with administration of Virechana Dravya till the stoppage of Virechana Vega. Virechana Aushadhi. Trivrut, Gugulu, Krishna. The Virechana Dravya administered while the patient is cheerful, slept well, and has fully digested previous meal. After administration of Virechana Dravya, observe for number of Virechana Vega, observe for Samyak Lakshana, Ayoga Lakshana, and Atyoga Lakshana. Then prescribe the Samsarjana Krama based on the type of Shuddhi. For Pravara Shuddhi, 30 Vega, 3 Annakala. Madhyama Shuddhi, 20 Vega, 2 Annakala. Avara Shuddhi, 10 Vega, and 1 Annakala. Nitya Virechana. The process of Nitya Virechana involves the administration of mild laxatives or herbal formulations on regular basis. These formulations are carefully chosen to suit the individual's dosha, constitution, and health needs. Example: Gandharva Hastadi Eranda Taila for 15 days, Avipattikara Churna and Trivrut Churna. The picture shows the difference between the skin lesions before Virechana and after Virechana. Shamana Chikitsa, Rasa or Basma or Sattva. सर्वतो भद्ररस कामदुग्धरस स्वर्णमाक्षिक स्वर्णगैरिक सूतशेखर यवक्षार अमृतसत्व चंद्रकला प्रवालभस्म शीतपित्तभाजन श्लेष्मपित्तांतक पित्तांतक योग वटी और गुग्गुलु आरोग्यवर्धिनी वटी नवकर्षिक गुग्गुलु कैशोर गुग्गुलु स्पर्शवाथग्नि वटी चूर्ण त्रिफला चूर्ण पंचशिशिरीष चूर्ण त्रिकटु ಯವನಾದಿಚೂರ್ಣ ಆಸವ ಅರಿಷ್ಟ ಅಮೃತಾರಿಷ್ಟ ಮಂಜಿಷ್ಟ ಅರಿಷ್ಟ ಘೃತ ಮಹಾತಿಕ್ತಕ ಘೃತ ಕ್ವಾತ ಅಮೃತಾದಿ ಕ್ವಾತ ಯಷ್ಟಾದಿ ಯೋಗ ಉದರ ಪ್ರಶಮನಾದಿ ಮಹಾಕಷಾಯ ಪಾಕ ಖಂಡ ಅವಲೇಹ ಹರಿದ್ರಖಂಡ ಆದ್ರಕ ನಿಂಬಪತ್ರಾದಿ ಲೇಹ ಪ್ರಲೇಪ और उद्वर्तन दुर्वादि लेप सैंधवादि योग सिद्धार्थादि योग पथ्य एंड अपथ्य ಪಥ್ಯ ಆಹಾರ ಪುರಾಣಶಾಲಿ ಜಾಂಗಲ ಮಾಂಸರಸ ಮುದ್ಗ ಕರೇಲ ಶೀಘ್ರು ದಾಡಿಮ ಮಧು ಸರ್ಷಪತೈಲ ವಿಹಾರ ಲಂಘನ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಭ್ಯಂಗ ಅಪತ್ಯ ಇಕ್ಷುವಿಕಾರ ಅನುಪಮಾಂಸರಸ ಮಧ್ಯ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಭೋಜನ ಆಮ್ಲರಸ ವಿಹಾರ ಚರ್ದಿ ವೇಗಾವರೋಧ ವಾಯುಸೇವನ ದಿವಾಸ್ವಪ್ನ ಸ್ನಾನ ಆತಾಪಸೇವನ ಮೈಥುನ The probable modern correlation of Shita-Pitta is urticaria. Urticaria, commonly known as hives, is a skin reaction characterized by itchy, raised red welts or patches called wheals. These wheals can vary in size and shape and are typically transient, lasting for a few hours to 24 hours. Urticaria is a common problem. It is estimated that up to 20% of the population, or 1 in 5 people, would have had hives at one point in their lives. Wheal, a central swelling surrounded by erythema. itching or burning sensation. The wheal disappears usually within 1 to 24 hours. Causes: drug reaction, food addictive or preservative reactions, inhaled or ingested allergens, which often come in contact with the skin, transfusion reaction, infections, bacterial, fungal, viral, parasitic, insect bites or stings, collagen vascular diseases, cutaneous vasculitis, serum sickness, hereditary diseases, physical triggers, heat, cold, light, pressure, and etc. Classification: Urticaria is classified into two, chronic and acute. Chronic is further classified into two types, chronic spontaneous urticaria and inducible urticaria. For acute urticaria, no need to follow up. Investigation: Initial test: CBC with differential erythrocyte sedimentation rate, urine analysis. Possible test for selected patients: stool examination for ova and parasites, blood chemistry profile, antinuclear antibody titer, hepatitis B and C, skin test for IgE mediated reactions. Treatment: Search for triggers, treat the treatable cause, antihistamines, short acting, long acting, corticosteroids, start around 1 mg per kg per day. References: Charaka Samhita, Madhava Nidhana, Bhava Prakasha, and Yoga Ratnakara. Thank you.